fish we have is a piece of tilapia. Tilapia is very thin, and therefore this is going to cook really fast. This is probably going to cook in about a minute to a minute and a half. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush it with olive oil like I have everything else. And I also want to make sure you take note on how I put this in the grill, because you'll see one side is significantly smaller than the other, or thinner I should say. So just a little bit of pepper. We're ready to go. Alright, so I got my tongs, and we're going to pan back over to the grill now. Alright, so here we are. I've got my fish, got my tongs. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the skinny side and place it towards the outer edge of the grill. The reason why is this side of the grill is a little cooler than back here. And that way it should cook at a much more even rate. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll be better than doing it the other way around. So we're going to set this all the way on this edge, because this side is still exposed to a little bit of air, and so also being closer to the edge. And also we're going to have the weight of this bearing down on top. So like I said, we're going to let this go, I say a minute, maybe a minute and a half, and we're going to come back to it, and you'll see a wonderful, beautiful, nice, thin piece of light fish. Alright, so it's been about a minute and a half. Look at that. That looks beautiful. See this side right here? Nice and flaky, but not overly flaky. This side, nicely cooked. Bottom side, the same. I've got me an excellent looking piece of fish. The problem with this kind of fish, though, being so small, is that you're not going to want to use the tongs to pick it up. You're going to want to get a spatula, because with tongs, it's just going to break apart. So, got a nice heat-resistant spatula here. Be careful with it. Scoop that up. Had some pieces break off. That's fine. You'll see. That is a really great looking piece of fish. It took 2 minutes to cook. Nothing on it except for salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. Squeeze a lemon on top of this, a little lime maybe. Maybe some lemon pepper next time. And you've got a really great, really fast, really light dinner right here.